your partner for MRO tools.
With heavy equipment, someone has to swing the hammer. Someone has to hold the chisel. Equipment. The gap between swing and strike is the danger zone. Danger of sledgehammer bounce back. Danger to anyone nearby from flying material. Danger of lost worker hours and added costs due to injuries, sore muscle, and age where they came from.
Trying to get your buddy involved and possibly hitting him, it speeds things up and makes it a lot safer. Instead of me sitting there trying to hold the drift and trying to hammer on it, then the risk of being hit in your wrist, hitting your arm, or even chips of steel hitting you in the face. So there's a lot of risk, and with the slide sledges actually minimized that risk and made those jobs a lot easier. This is actually genuinely a product that I use, that I purchase, and I use it day in, day out. With the slide sledge, there's a lot of options. We got 4 main hammers. There's several different lengths, but also weights. So it doesn't matter if you're working on a small mini excavator all the way up to 50, 60, 70, 80,000 pound piece of equipment. We have the options to be able to work on that piece of equipment. If you need extra weight, we have optional weight for the end of the hammer. You can put another additional 5 pounds on it. So if you need that extra you concentrate all that force in 2-3 inches. Not only do we have the 4 main hammers, the yellow hammers, we have a pull hammer, a slide hammer. It's not just a pull hammer, but you can actually hit with it, impact with it as well. So it'll go either way. And then we have a precision hammer. If you're working on something that's small and delicate, you want to make sure that every single hit is precise where you need it. So it doesn't matter what your job is, what you're doing, they have the right hammer for you.
Thank you for watching.